Yo, what is going on, guys? So this tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get Tomodachi Life Living the Dream on PC and Nintendo Switch for free. So this game's pretty expensive, costing around 60 to 70 US dollars. I'm going to be showing you how to get a digital code, and this can not only be used in the eShop, it can also be used in the Steam store. So there is a secret Steam PC version of Tomodachi Life Living the Dream, and I'm going to show you how to get it. So before I show you the method, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for brand new updated money saving tutorials. So let's get into the video and show you how to get Tomodachi Life Living the Dream for free on PC and Nintendo Switch. So use your mobile phone to obtain your digital code, and you've got to open up the internet browser. Let me just get rid of that hair and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So just type it exactly like this. Crash coupons. And like I said, guys, this is going to get you a game code, and you can redeem it in the Steam store, and it is going to get you a PC version of Tomodachi Life. So that's awesome. So when you reach this website, you need to search for the Tomodachi Life Living the Dream codes page here. And as you can see, get Tomodachi Life Living the Dream for free on Nintendo Switch and PC. And this is a really popular method, guys. So click on show full code. So it doesn't matter if you want a copy on PC or Switch. It's the exact same method. So you need to unlock your digital game code, guys. So it says your code is ready and will be revealed after you complete a verification. So basically, guys, these are limited codes, and considering this game is like 60 US dollars, you need to unlock your code. So click on get full code, and it's going to bring you to this page here. Now, you just need to follow the instructions to get your code from Crash Coupons. Basically, guys, you've got to complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below. So basically, you're going to see a list of tasks. They are completely free, and you need to select 2 of them. So it says here, complete 2 more offers. So you just got to basically follow the instructions for the 2 that you choose. These are really easy things, like download, install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Play a game. This one says download and complete level 9. So similarly, you tap on it, it'll take you to the App Store where you just download that game and play it until level 9. So yeah, fully complete any 2 tasks. There are surveys as well sometimes. And yeah, it will send you back to Crash Coupons. And if you do everything correctly, your Tomodachi Life Living the Dream game code will be revealed. Like I said, guys, you can redeem the code in the eShop, Nintendo eShop, and that's going to get you a free Switch game. But yeah, you can also enter it into the Steam store, and it's going to get you a secret PC version of Tomodachi Life Living the Dream. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons, find this codes page here, guys, and just unlock your code, follow the instructions, and that is how to get Tomodachi Life Living the Dream for free on PC and Nintendo Switch. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.